The Panama Canal is an incredible feat of engineering. Completed in 1914, it connects the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. The canal slices through the Isthmus of Panama, a narrow strip of land in Central America. Before the canal, ships had to make the long and dangerous journey around the tip of South America. The canal is a 50-mile waterway with a system of locks. These locks raise and lower ships to different levels. This is because the Panama Canal crosses the Continental Divide, a mountainous area. The construction of the canal was a massive undertaking that involved thousands of workers. The United States played a major role in building the Panama Canal. The project was initially started by the French but was plagued by disease and financial problems. The U.S. took over in 1904 and completed the canal a decade later. The Panama Canal was a strategic asset for the U.S. for many years. The canal significantly shortened travel times for ships. It also made shipping goods between the east and west coasts of the United States much faster and more efficient. This had a profound impact on global trade. The Panama Canal revolutionized global trade. It provided a shortcut for ships traveling between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. This drastically reduced shipping costs and times. The canal facilitated the transport of goods, raw materials, and manufactured products worldwide. The canal became a vital artery for international commerce. It connected major economies in North and South America, Europe, and Asia. The Panama Canal allowed businesses to transport goods more efficiently. This led to economic growth and development on a global scale. Today, the Panama Canal remains a crucial shipping route. Over 14,000 ships pass through the canal annually. These ships carry a wide range of cargo. This includes everything from oil and gas to cars, electronics, and agricultural products. The canal's impact extends beyond just economics. It has also played a significant role in geopolitics. Control of the Panama Canal has been a point of contention throughout history. This highlights its strategic importance. The Panama Canal faces a growing threat, a shortage of water. The canal relies heavily on freshwater to operate its locks. These locks raise and lower ships as they transit through the waterway. However, rainfall patterns in Panama are becoming increasingly erratic. Climate change is being blamed for this shift in weather patterns. The region is experiencing more frequent droughts. This lack of rainfall is impacting the amount of water available to feed the canal. The Panama Canal Authority has been forced to impose draft restrictions on ships. These restrictions limit how much cargo a ship can carry. This is done to reduce the amount of water displaced as the ship moves through the locks. The restrictions are meant to conserve water. However, they also impact the canal's efficiency and profitability. The water crisis poses a serious challenge to the long-term viability of the Panama Canal. If the water levels continue to drop, it could disrupt global trade. This underscores the urgent need for a sustainable solution to this growing problem. The Panama Canal is facing economic headwinds. Global shipping routes are changing. This is partly due to the rise of alternative trade routes. The Suez Canal, for example, has expanded its capacity. This allows it to handle larger ships and more traffic. The Arctic shipping route is also becoming more accessible due to melting sea ice. This route offers a shorter distance between Asia and Europe. This makes it an attractive alternative to the Panama Canal for some shipping companies. The cost of using the Panama Canal has also been increasing. The Panama Canal Authority has been investing in infrastructure upgrades. This includes the construction of new, larger locks. These improvements are necessary to accommodate larger ships. However, they also come at a price. The increased tolls are making the Panama Canal less competitive compared to other shipping routes. This is a concern for the canal's long-term financial health.